The Global Ambassador Program connects students and educators together through meaningful learning, cultural exchange, and shared experiences across the IGC school system. Throughout the program, students learn side by side through integrated lessons, STEAM-based activities, and hands-on collaborative projects. Learning extended beyond the classroom, fostering critical thinking, teamwork, and English communication through real-world experiences. Beyond academics, cultural experiences enrich students' understanding of local life while strengthening their connections with one another.
I think it was really well planned. I like the motivation too. We only have 3 kilometers to go and keep cycling. That was a pretty good way to motivate students, thinking they only have 3 kilometers to go.
Through meaningful interaction and exchange, students build confidence and develop a deeper understanding of diverse perspectives.
Hi, I'm Long. I'm very thankful for our moment together. We shared, we learned, we inspire each other a lot. Thank you all for this really meaningful exchange opportunity. See ya!
This James has helped me to improve my English, share ideas, and also I have learned a lot of different cultures. And finally, I would like to thank you, and I hope that next year students from IGC Tây can have a chance for interacting with students from student exchange.
At IGC, education is about connection, understanding, and growth. Through the Global Ambassador Program, we continue to nurture confident global citizens.